Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of May. After a chilly start across South Africa, it's going to turn out to be a beautiful afternoon, not just over the interior of South Africa, but also along the coastline where light offshore winds will cause warming. There's still remnants of high cloud, especially in the Western and Eastern Cape, and later on this afternoon and evening it will become cloudy once again in KwaZulu-Natal, and we can expect some light evening rain along the coastline. Our super microcast high resolution model indicates clearly what we're expecting for KZN today. After a clear start to the morning, it becomes cloudy this afternoon, and then we can see patches of rain, especially along the coastline and the adjacent interior. Hence, we have a 20% chance for light rain, mainly this afternoon and evening. Otherwise, it's going to be a dry day countrywide. Very pleasant temperatures all around, upper 20s in Gauteng and Pretoria, 28 degrees in Mahikeng, and temperatures as high as 32 in Uppington, with 31 degrees in Vredendal. Pleasant conditions in Cape Town as well, with a high of 25, lower 20s along the Eastern Cape coastline, and warm conditions at first in KwaZulu-Natal with a maximum of 26 in Durban and 27 in Richards Bay. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for this public holiday. Light offshore winds along the west coast, becoming fresh in the vicinity of the Namaqualand coastline. There's an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters, and low tide is expected shortly after 10:30. A beautiful day along the southwest coast, light winds along the Atlantic seaboard, moderate southeasterlies in False Bay and in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas as well, with a very low swell of 1.5 meters in the open ocean. Light offshore winds in the morning for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, becoming moderate in the afternoon, and east to southeasterlies in Mossel Bay and Plet, with an open ocean swell of 2 meters, translating to breakers of up to 3 feet on the beachfront. Along the east coast, we're expecting offshore winds at first, especially for the north coast, becoming southwesterly at 30 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters, and we're expecting some rain later on. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.
Know more. eNCA.com